Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to plant-based proteins. And by the end, you'll know if this is the path to a healthier, stronger, more energized you. Let's face it, from teenagers to seniors, everyone wants to feel better, live healthier, and be fitter. But with so much information out there, finding the best approach can be overwhelming. So, sit tight, because we're not just listing proteins, we're unpacking the true power. Whether you're 18 or 65, here's the truth. Plant-based proteins could be the game changer you've been searching for. And today, we'll reveal why. Stick around, you might just make the best health decision of your life. Best plant-based protein sources and how to integrate them. Excitement builds. Let's address one of the biggest myths. Plant proteins are incomplete. Heard someone say, but where's the protein? Well, here's the truth. By mixing plant sources like beans, nuts, and grains, you easily get all the essential amino acids. So, variety isn't just the spice of life, it's also how you get complete protein on a plant-based diet. Doesn't that make your next meal a little more exciting? Fear of deficiency: how to meet your nutritional needs. Now, I get it. You might wonder, but what if I don't get enough protein? What if I lose muscle? Fear not. Many peoples actually consume more protein than their bodies need. Plant-based diets help you meet your protein needs and give you fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that animal proteins lack. Now here's a real question. What's scarier, trying new foods or risking your health? Stay tuned, because up next, we're going to share a surprising fact that might just change how you see plant proteins. Best plant-based protein sources and how to integrate them. Excitement builds. Now, let's get to the fun part: some of the best plant-based protein sources and how to make them a regular part of your meals. Lentils, hemp seeds, tofu, seitan. These foods pack a protein punch. And guess what? They don't all taste like cardboard. Imagine a warm lentil soup on a chilly evening, or a hearty quinoa bowl packed with veggies. Not only are they satisfying, but they're easy to make. The power of plant-based proteins. First up, what exactly makes plant-based proteins so powerful? Let's break it down. These aren't just substitutes, they're complete sources of fuel for your body. Foods like quinoa, chickpeas, and chia seeds provide essential amino acids, minerals, and fibers that your body craves. Now, here's a question for you. Wouldn't you rather fuel your body with something that doesn't just nourish, but actually strengthens it? And for anyone wondering, yes, even your grandma can cook quinoa without setting off the smoke alarm. Foods like quinoa, chickpeas, and chia seeds are power-packed with essential nutrients that go beyond basic nutrition. These superfoods are rich in essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein that our bodies need for growth, repair, and overall function. Amino acids are vital because our bodies cannot produce all of them on their own, especially the 9 essential amino acids that we must obtain from our diet. Quinoa is unique among plant foods because it provides a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids in significant amounts, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Chickpeas, commonly used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern diets, are not only high in protein but also rich in minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. Iron supports red blood cell production, magnesium aids in muscle and nerve function, and zinc is crucial for immune health. Chickpeas also contain a good amount of fiber, supporting healthy digestion and providing sustained energy. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are tiny but mighty. They are high in protein and packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Chia seeds are also loaded with calcium, making them a great option for plant-based diets that may lack dairy sources of calcium. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like substance, which makes them ideal for smoothies, puddings, and even as a thickening agent in recipes. These foods, individually and in combination, offer a powerful mix of essential amino acids and minerals. By incorporating quinoa, chickpeas, and chia seeds into your diet, you're fueling your body with high-quality plant proteins and essential nutrients, supporting everything from muscle recovery to heart health. all while adding delicious variety to your meals. Why switching now can protect your future health? Here's where urgency kicks in. Each choice you make today impacts your health tomorrow. Studies show that plant-based diets lower the risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and even Alzheimer's. So, do you want to wait for a health scare to force you into making a change? Or would you rather take control now? By making the switch, you're choosing a healthier, longer future. Starting your journey without overwhelm. You might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but where do I even start? It's easy. Take it one meal at a time. Try swapping just 1 or 2 meals each week with plant-based options. You don't have to change overnight. And soon, you'll find this isn't just a diet. It's a lifestyle upgrade you won't want to give up. So, whether you're aiming to build muscle, improve your heart health, or simply feel more energetic, plant-based proteins offer an incredible solution. Don't let myths or fears stop you from trying something that could truly benefit your health. If you want to take things further and understand how small changes can lead to big impacts, check out our next video on